In the problem we just did about the golf balls, we were comparing the zeros. We were comparing the points where the zeros were equal for y. In example 8 on page 213, we're going to be comparing the maximums. So here is the story. The graph and the table describe two of Liam's kicks in yesterday's soccer game. For which kick did the soccer ball reach a greater height? So first we're given a graph in the first quadrant. Where we do have a true zero. And then we have time in seconds. So we have half a second, 1 second, 1.5 seconds, and 2 seconds. So the independent variable is time in seconds. The dependent variable is height in feet. And we have 4, 8, 12, and 16. And they've plotted a graph for us that goes from 0, 0 up to 116. And then it comes back down at 2, 0. And this is a parabola. I'm going to try to draw it with a nice one. Oh, that's not a kick, is it? Let's try it again. Nope. Not getting it. There we go. Okay, let me bring this thing to up here to its maximum. Oh my. Something like that. This is not very good, but it's close. Okay. So would you agree with me that the maximum height on this kick, this was the first kick, was what? Was it 1? No, that's seconds. It was 16 feet. Okay, and this was the first kick. All right, the second kick is given to us in a table. So let's draw a table. It is a vertical table. I'm sorry, a horizontal table. I was thinking about making it a vertical table, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And we have 5 points on this table. And the x value, the top number, is time after the ball is kicked. And this is measured in seconds. And then the y variable is height above the ground. And that is measured in feet. These have to be the same in the graph and the table for me to be able to compare. So it's really important to check those variables. Seconds to seconds, and then feet to feet. So they match up, we can compare them. So we have 0, 0 on this one, just like on the graph. At half a second, this one was at 13 feet. At 1 second, this was at 18 feet. At 1.5, it was at 15 feet. And at 2 seconds, it was down to 4 feet above the ground. So you're looking at your maximum height. That means that you're only interested in this row. So you look out through there and you find the biggest one. There it is. The maximum value of y is 18 feet. And that happened when 1 second had passed. So here's the question. For which kick did the soccer ball reach a greater height? And that would be for the second kick. We don't have to use any fancy formulas or anything. We just have to know about maximums, and we have to know what the graph and the table are saying to us. So your answer for that one is the second kick had the higher height.